all on my desk.
Track star shouty, I be sprinting to a check. I don't cuff before your girl, I make a citizen's arrest. Got you in your feelings, cause that hit you in your chest. I'm steady winning, now they think I'm doing.
Hey guys, it's Allison, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in such a long time, so I decided I want to bring you another video. So today I'm doing a pink glittery cut crease. If you guys would like to see how I accomplish this look, then just stay tuned. Basically, I have a mask on, you know. And once this dry, I'm going to take my Bare Minerals powder Invisible Light and go in with this matte shade and just apply that to my lid to set the concealer. Now I am going to take this hot pink shade right here, and this is from Coastal Saints. This is their Neon Bright Pink. I'm actually going to apply it to my lid and I'm going to buff it out.
Cause I flirt don't mean I want you, baby. Stop it. Fuck if she a trending topic or she out here looking tropic. I don't need no extras in the way and fucking up my profit. I be killing tracks so they might make me do it big.
Next, I am going to take a M573 brush from Morphe, and this is basically just their crease brush. I'm gonna actually blend it out in the front. Taking this and going in a circular motion, it's gonna buff the color so it gives that gradient effect that you want in the front. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe blending brush. This is from the Gunmetal collection. As you can see, the numbers were off, but we are going to take this and blend out the outer corners, going in circular motions again. I'm going to take a little bit more of that pink and just swipe that back in to make it more opaque. And I'm going to actually sweep it all on my lid as well. Even though we're going to wipe it out, so it's up to my lid. So when we go in at our transition color, what color we're going to add into the crease, it'll all blend well. And now I'm going in with the Morphe 350M palette, and this is a Morphe White 20 brush. And I'm just bringing that out a little. So this color is basically doing nothing more than just deepening our crease. I'm going to take the M573. I'm going to blend that hot pink in with this burnt orange. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to bring a little into these areas, just so it can all blend nicely. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe M124 brush and my LA Girl Concealer in Porcelain, and I'm going to cut a crease. Just maybe a round crease today, nothing fancy, nothing hard. Keep it shit stack it to my death, so I'm always gonna be me, I'm never switching up my step. And just like that, you cut your crease. So I'm going to cut my crease off camera because my camera is about to die, and I'll come back to you guys when that crease is cut. Alright guys, so now that I've cut my crease and my camera is semi-charged, we're going to go with this white shade. This is, like I said, Porcelain from Morphe. I'm going to apply that to the cut crease, and I'm just taking a flat shader brush from I think Wet n Wild.
Where the real MCs at? Damn, nowhere in sight. They say hip hop dead. I see the spirit of boom bap in the middle of the night. No lie, no lie, no lie. Oh my, oh my. They said I could have been a thug, but I'd rather spread love like a Kelly way back in the shot. Lord knows it's evil when they crucify my people like Jesus, mi amigo, like.
So now I'm going to actually do a wing liner on both eyes. I'm going to go one eye at a time. I am using my Morphe E35 brush. This is actually a lip brush, but I'm going to use it to do my eyeliner. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to take this pink little glitter. I definitely figured out where I got it from. I'm going to apply that to my crease as well. I'm going to apply the glitter glue with this really small e.l.f. concealer brush. I literally threw the glitter upside down and wasted it all on my desk. All on my desk. All on my desk. Did I say all on my desk? I mean all on my desk. So I did my entire face, and right now I am baking, and I just thought I would come to you guys and show you how I'm gonna do my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and apply it to my lower lash line. So the first color I'm going to take is the Neon Pink by Coastal Scents and apply that in my lash line. I'm going to go back with that right there and apply it to my lower lash line as well. Just going to go back in with this NYX Small Recliner White Pencil and apply that to my waterline in the front. The mascara I'm going to use on my lower lash line is the Maybelline New York. I believe this is just Stiletto Lash. You can see I had it for a long time. That's why it looks so beat up, but I actually really do like it on my lower lash line.
Underestimation is the cause of your death. I see niggas lost, get right or get left.
For my lips, I'll be using this Ultra lipstick, liquid lipstick in the color Verona, and I'll line my lips up with a brown lip liner.
See me coming for your head, I'ma place it on my shelf. I ain't meant to get violent, but it seems like they like it. They provoke me every time with the gas, and I light it, got me spitting hot fire blast.
And I actually like to spray my face before I put on my lashes. That's just cause what I like to do. I'm really setting my face with the NYX Dewy Finish, and this is actually one of my favorite setting sprays actually. I like my face extra dewy. I just blended through some lashes on, and this is the same lipstick, liquid lipstick on my lips. I just did my hair, and that was that. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, make sure you please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would highly appreciate it.
Trying to compete, I'm designed for the beef. Check the size of my feet. You can't stride in my sneaks on my side.